Hello and welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see how to use prompts to guide ChatGPT responses. So what are prompts? So prompt is brief statement or question that define the scope of your idea. It is like text template which you can use on your own way to get best response from ChatGPT. In this video I am going to show you how you can use prompts to get better response from ChatGPT. So if you can see below, we have collected some examples of prompts. So here are examples of prompts. So topic, and then below you can see statement for the above topic: brainstorm new angles, ideas and approaches, prioritize ideas that are uncommon, new or novel. So put your title here, and then you can see topic. In front of topic you will put your own topic, and then ChatGPT will respond you according to this template. So for example, we are going to type here our own topic. You will put your own title here. For example, we are going to type here the best productivity hacks of all time, and then we are going to copy it and then paste in bar of ChatGPT. As you can see, we have pasted a template here, and then we are going to see what it responds. It is an unbelievable. ChatGPT has given an amazing response by this template. You can see these are amazing points. You can use this prompt to get better ideas and suggestion according to your topic. So number 2, you can see write a cold email for potential client that include a sentence about my work. I am, write what you do and supplies. So if you want to create a cold email for your client, then you will have to put it according to your needs. So you will enter your profession here, and then what is your field in this niche section. So this is a prompt. You can use it for cold email, and then above prompt you can use it for better ideas, best response according to your topic. So which prompt do you like the most? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see more content like this one, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.